I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your statement online with HSBC is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the account summary. Once logged in, look for the accounts or account summary section on the main dashboard. Click on it to view your accounts. Step 3. Select the account you want to view. From the account summary, choose the specific account for which you want to check the statement. This could be your checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Access the statement view. After selecting your account, look for an option labeled Statements or View Statements. Click on it to access your recent statements. Step 5. Download or print your statement. Once in the statement view, you can either download the statement as a PDF or print it directly from the browser. Make sure to check the date range for the statement you need. If you don't see recent statement, ensure you have the correct account selected, as sometimes older statements may not be immediately visible. I hope this helps you easily check your HSBC statements online. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.